Okay, now we are using trim functions and replace functions. Okay, so you can see there are some space available in this region after south and before east. Okay, so let me see how this space looks like. If you go to data preview, okay, I should go here actually. So there is a space, but system is showing this without spaces only. Okay, so what we can do here, we can use trim options. So you can see new region. Oh, sorry, my bad. I should have to add a new column here. Region. You can say trimmed. Okay. So I can open this expression and I can use trim from string to trim. Okay. So basically, if you want to trim certain characters, you can do that. Okay. Like this. And if I use only this will trim your spaces. Okay. Let's see. So you are not seeing any difference, but actually it is doing internally. Okay. And if you use any like two characters, something like that. Okay. This is causing error. Okay. Let's see. Simply I'm just giving some, you can see wherever it will find NOR, it will trim that. Right? Got it? So this is also an interesting feature. So if you want to trim, it means cutting. Just the way we are cutting the hairs, this is known as trim. Okay. So anyway, we are not going to do this. Then we have replace option. Okay. So let me use replace as well. So you can use replace. So replace again, I'm going to use for string and I'm going to replace north. Okay. Keyword with some different keyword. Okay. I'm going to use, first of all, I have to select all and I have to remove this. Okay. I have to type region. Okay. And substring to find which substring I want to replace. Have you used Control F in Excel? It's the behavior is same. Okay. So if I want to find, the letter T, imagine if I want to, if I have to find the letter T, so left letter T is a string, so I have to use single quotes always. And in place of T, I want to replace this with capital T. Can I do this? Very strange formula, but I'm just applying it for your, understanding. When I refresh this, what it is going to do? It is replacing all small t into capital T. It is replacing, right? Agreed? And other thing, if I remove the center part completely, so what I will do, I will search for center. Okay, and I will remove this with blank. I can do that. I will hit on save. So what it will do, the center will completely be removed, means replaced. replaced with blank. You can see north center is there, east center is there, but now it is giving only northeast, not southeast. Agreed? So this is the, so this is how we have completed string functions and null handling. Okay. Now we can go for date and time functions. This is also very interesting. Current date. So it will return your current date, means today's date. Okay. Current year. It will return your today's year. Current month. It will return your today's month in the data set. And add days. If you want to, give the date after adding 5 days or 4 days or whatever days, the next date, tomorrow's date, you can use this as a tomorrow date. Then you have format, date and time. If you have column in different format and you want to format it like this, right? You can do that. So let's play with this as well. Date and time functions. Agreed? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just enter add. Okay. And at the column, what I'm going to do, I want to use this as a current year. Current year. So for current year, we are going to write an expression. Just I will create some space. I will hit on this expression and I will use current year. Okay. Current date it is coming. Okay. I don't know why current date it is coming, but not here. Let me go to functions and you can see here it should be coming. See current date, current time, current UTC, day of the month, time stamp. Just you can put like this and you can see you can use current date for all other things. Okay. So for example, if current date is this, get the current date when this job start. Okay. Okay. We don't have a current year option. Okay. We have to drive from the, year column only. Okay. So current date, let's do this way and see, it will give you today's date. Okay. And if I have to drive from current year, we can drive that. Okay. And how we can drive that? So this is today's date. So we can drive that by using this option. Okay. Let me try this out. So you can use year column. Okay. And let's refresh this. Got it, guys? So with this keyword year, it will get you the year value from the current date. And if you want to, instead of current date, you want to find out the year, because we used a substring column earlier, if you see, right? We used it from here. So, okay, sorry. In place of year, I want to go to all and used year, correct? Save. But okay, my year should be in the same format, date, time. Okay, so I have to first format this, right? So how I can format this? I can format this using format date and time, because a format should be different. I should tell to the system in which format this year is existing, right? So I will use this format. Format, date and time. No, it's not coming. Let me search here. Format, date. It's not coming once again. Let me click here. Let me make sure if I'm using the right statement or not. Let's copy from here. Simple. Format, date, time. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to use this format, date, time, and I'm using year. And after year, I'm going to in what format this is my year is having. I'm using YYMMDD, right? So I will use YYMMDD format, right? So ideally this should be the right expression, but it is throwing an error because this format here is not identified. Please make sure it is valid. Okay. Okay. Here, but that's not a problem. Actually, it is not identifying this also. Unknown function name, right? So what I should do, I should keep it as like this. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me go to functions, close, because we have used this in copy activity as well, right? But this is not coming here. So maybe some recent changes has introduced. Date, due date is there. Okay. Here it is. Due date. This is changed to due date actually. Got it? Now it is fine. Okay. So if I refresh this, no result is coming because its current year is 123. Okay. And why it is not coming? Because this to date is an expression. This should be a string value. Let me do one thing. Let me save and finish this time. Type is mismatching. I know. Okay. Okay. Here. Okay. Can you see now? This year is giving the value in this format. Okay. It's saying unknown functions, but still giving the value, correct? Now, if I put everything within this year, okay, it should give me the year. Let's save it. And if I refresh this, Here you go. Got it? So this is one of the way where you can, convert your another way. Use without using substring, you can convert your year column if you have in YYMMDD using this expression. Making sense? I can save it to you. This one. Okay. So current year you are done. Add dates. Okay, month column we have already used, right? We can use month also in the same way. Just try month as well. Month. And to save my time, I'm going to just copy this one, okay? I can open expression, and what I can do, I can just use this month. Instead of that, I can insert it and I can remove this year and one additional bracket here, right? It should work. Let's see if it is working. This is showing some error. Let me check. Yeah, let me. No, this bracket is required. This is ending this bracket. This end. Okay, one bracket was required at the last. Okay. Yeah. If I refresh this, no result. Let me first remove this month and see if this. Yeah, yeah, 2 actually. That's what. Yeah, that's what I want to see the result first. Okay. No result is coming here itself. Okay. Mm, okay. Let me use this month expression first. Each month, and within this month, I can use current date. Once current date. Okay. Still showing no results. There is some problem. Okay, let me try one more time. There is some problem actually. The same name appears, right? I'm not going to use anything. Just okay. So this is the date. This has changed the format. Fine. No, it's not changed the format. It is only showing today's date. Agreed? Okay. So if you want to use the today's date, okay, with month, let me search month column here. This is month. So month except your date and time. and refresh. So this will give you current month. Okay. This is giving you current month. All right. Because today's month is December. Now, instead of current date, I want to use year. So year, I need to first convert into date, my year column. So what is my year column? I should go to all. I should click year. No, sorry, this is not the year. I should go to all and I should wait a moment. Oh, no, wait, it's not showing me the other values. Just a second. This is the year, right? Then what is our date format? Our date format is YY MMDD. Here we have MM. Let me refresh. Yeah, can you see? This is the year. But for every year it is showing one YYDD. Wait, YYY different DD. Okay, I will check this out. There's something problem with this expression. Let me check. Okay. Anyways, so we have used year, month, so and format date and time also. Now this format date and time is changed to to date. Okay. Then we have add days. So if I want to add any days, so this is the okay. I can hit on add column. I can go for next day. I want to find out the next day, means tomorrow. What will be the date? Simple. I will click on open expression builder and what I will do, I will use add day function first of all. Add day function is there. So it will accept your date and time stamp data type and add any day, right? So simply what I'm going to do is but it is asking for date and time stamp, right? So there is another method of handling this thing. Okay, what we can do here, we can convert our year column because this is a string. If I convert this into date format, most of the problem will be solved, right? So if I go to projection and this year, if I convert this to date format and I can see the data as well once again, most of my problem will be solved. Okay, you can see your year is coming as null because nothing is in date format. Okay, here I cannot do this because in date format it is not reading the date format properly. Okay, that's the reason this problem is arising. Okay, so let me do this way. So before making any changes, you have to check each and every step logically what is going on. So here I can convert. Just a second, guys. My battery is also going to die. Okay. So first of all, I have to use add days, and then what I can do is I can first convert this to date column the way we are doing it, right? So first I should do to date, and within to date I should select my column this, okay, and I have to again specify YYMMDD, right? And let me add for next day will be 1. Let me see how it works. So it should give me tomorrow's date as per my data. So you can see this is 3rd of January, this is 4th of January, this is 4th of April, this is 5th of April, right? So it is the add day is successfully done. Making sense? Okay. Any questions so far? So we have used this. Now we have other options also like arithmetic and function options, logical options, aggregation functions, type conversion, this two integer, two string, two boolean, miscellaneous functions. So guys, I'm going to send you this document and you need to do a lot of practice by yourself. Is this making sense?